Hi friends, this is Nivek. So in this video, I will show the working of the custom library which I had developed, that is trigger.py, and using this custom library we can able to trigger some keyword based on some actions like mouse click or when a file is being added to a folder, etc. Let's see it's working. So the workflow now I had opened is of RPA challenge data entry process. Now I need to make some modification to this automation process. So the first modification is I need to open the RPA challenge website only when I click the right mouse button. And the second modification is I need to do the data entry operation whenever I add the file to this current directory. Okay, so these are the two modifications I had to do. So let's do the first modification, that is triggering this keyword when we click the right mouse button. So for that there is a particular keyword that is present in this custom library, that is monitor mouse click method. So this monitor mouse click actually triggers this keyword which is provided as an argument based on the mouse click, whether left or right, which we provide as an argument to this keyword. So let's see that. So the first argument we have to provide is the keyword which we need to trigger, that is to open the RPA challenge website. And the second argument is we have to specify which mouse click should cause this keyword to be triggered, either left or right. So in our case we need to trigger this keyword when we click the right mouse button. For that we can use right as an argument. If we need to trigger this keyword by the left, we should specify left mouse button, we should specify as left instead of right. Okay, so let me specify it as right itself. Next key modification is we need to trigger this data entry operation only when we add the Excel file to this current directory. For that also there is another keyword whose name is file trigger. So this file trigger also requires two arguments. One is a keyword which need to be triggered when a file is being added to a particular folder, and next is the folder path, you can say, where the file be added. So we can provide the first keyword name as an argument which need to be triggered, that is the do the data entry operation by reading the Excel file. And second argument is the folder path where the file will be added, which cause this keyword to be triggered. So in our case it is a current directory itself, so we can use this current directory. So let me just minimize this and see the process. Okay, so this is the current directory, and now we can just run this process to see whether it works or not. Now you can see that our process start running. Now you can see it is waiting for the right click so that it can open the RPA challenge website. So when I just do the right click, you can see that it will start to open the browser. You can see, yeah, you can see when I did the right click, it opened the browser. Yeah, so now it is waiting for the file trigger, that is whenever I add that Excel file to this current directory, it will trigger this data entry operation. And for that we have to add the file. Let me just specify it here. Okay, so like whenever I add this challenge Excel file which contains the data for the data entry to this current directory, it will start this data entry operation. So now let me add this challenge Excel file here. So you can see that when I add the challenge Excel file, it starts the data entry operation. Now it has completed the data entry operation completely, and if we just take a screenshot, you can see that it had completed successfully. So this is how my custom library actually is working. And recently I had added only two keywords, that is monitor mouse click, which will actually monitor the monitor for the mouse click and trigger the keyword, and the file trigger, which actually works when we add a particular file to a folder or when we create a particular file in that folder. So I will later modify or later update this library with more keywords. Okay, so hope you like this video. Thank you.